I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact clip segment you want to improve. Open Final Cut Pro and load that clip into the timeline. Once done, duplicate the layer so you always have the original to reference and to revert if a change looks off. Make sure your clip has correct color space and resolution, because Beauty Box works better with clean input. You'll also enable the inspector so you can see plugin controls immediately and avoid hunting through menus. You drag Beauty Box from Effects onto the duplicated clip and open its panel in the inspector. Start with Auto Skin Detection. It quickly isolates faces so you can focus corrections only where needed. Then refine the mask by adjusting skin color tolerance and feathering so hair and eyes remain sharp. Next, dial in smoothing and detail preserve parameters to balance natural texture versus polish, and use the opacity slider to mix the effect with the original for subtlety. You now refine with keyframes so the effect follows movement and lighting shifts. Animate mask position, smoothing, or opacity where a subject turns or sits under changing light. Once satisfied, render or let background render finish, then preview at full resolution to catch artifacts. If you see haloing, texture loss, or color shifts, make sure to reduce smoothing, expand mask tolerance, or lower opacity so edges remain natural. Finally, export a short test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.